Good night to everybody except the girls that have clear phone cases with a Polaroid picture in the back of it, people that tweet from their laptop, the people that leave pretzels in the munchie bags, people that...
Hey guys, let's open day 6 of my beauty advent calendar. By the way, I'm wearing an Alfred Eden t-shirt and it is so comfy, oh my goodness. Anyways, let's get back to the advent calendar. I am super excited to open this even though the 2 last items were like weird. There was one that smelled like soy sauce and then the other one, I didn't know what it was. Okay, so today's day 6, but is that a 9 or is this a 9? This is actually so confusing, look, because 9 or a 6